Alright, what do we got here? Oh, quite the selection. Box of books is there's a good mask for you, Sasha.
I just want to get rid of it. Okay.
No scan.
These are all, I think these are all small.
How you doing?
Good.
Weather's changing, a little cold this morning.
It's getting cold.
Yay!
I know, a lot better than hot. Well, you guys are organized.
Well, for right now, till everybody comes and starts digging through, then,
Yeah.
then that changes. Those are mostly like men's small size. The strawberries.
So van.
And this is for this. I'm just gonna like throw it in the car and go carrying around.
Yeah, probably most of the shorts are 36s. Okay. Those are women's pants over there.
Amanda.
Most of these are going to be like men's small, and maybe a little bit smaller than that, because there might be some right before he hit the men's small size.
What are your price ranges on your clothes?
25 cents.
Okay, that's very fair. Practically giving them away. Nice shirt.
Manga.
100.
Oh, wow.
Sasha, there's a bunch of clothes over here. What is this? Oh, that's kind of cool. Got a big fish on it. Make a golf shirt. Everlast. No brainer.
Puppy socks.
Puppy.
Noise canceling one?
No.
I know, I'm thinking about, is it worth it getting it, you think? That's what it's,
AirPods?
yeah, if you get the noise, it's like $100 more to get the noise canceling.
Probably, yeah.
Why,
Mine
you
don't get
wish
that
you
loud
had it?
anymore, so.
Well, she wishes she had it so she doesn't have to listen to
Yeah,
us.
that's what I was
Yeah.
wondering, should I get the one with
The parent canceling edition.
Yeah. Sometimes that's the only thing that works.
Huh? For the price, yeah. This is a Nike tee. This has a swish on it, too. Yeah. Well, someone likes Nike. Grab that jacket. Grab that. Sasha, hand me that jacket. Taking that, for sure. Grab those, Jen. They have a shirt on. I think they're golfing. Yeah, George Norman. These are branded golf shorts. Boy, you got... What's in the tub over there? Is that kids or?
Yeah, but they're thing's like his middle school gym thing
Oh, okay.
that has his name on it. So I don't think
Yeah.
there's, and things for La Honda Music Camp. So I was looking through that thinking there was going to be stuff to put out, but I don't think it's stuff anybody would want.
I'm gonna set these on the sofa because I'm gonna finding a bunch of nice stuff.
Yeah, it's like it's affordable for. Because I had it in my motorhome and then I took it out of there.
Check this.
That is one of those Amazon Alexa views.
Maybe random access. Size of these kids' sizes. These are nice. Just have what is on there?
How much did you want for the clothes? I have 4 pieces. 25.
Okay. Thank you.
Did you already look at all this stuff yet? This is? Is that a surf brand?
Kind of.
Billabong, isn't that a surfer brand?
Ski management.
I don't know. Seaweed? I haven't even looked around yet. Getting stuck on these clothes. Let me look around. There's a Wii.
Yeah, it's still what it is hardware for that. But I've been using it like that.
Oh, Wii. What are you asking for your Wii unit and all that stuff?
All that stuff right there, everything, $5.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I'll take it. That's a no-brainer. What's this?
And how does it fit?
That one's $20 because that one is.
Oh shit. Is it $5?
Yes. And I said, seriously? He said, yeah. $5. $5 for a complete Wii and those
There's
games in there.
a ski bib in here.
Well, get it. What are those boots?
I'll give you the boots. Let me get the ski bib.
I don't know what sizes are. Those are cute. She's so picky. She collects rocks. I'm all like,
Almost brand new.
what is it?
The printer.
Next to your phone.
Oh, Jen, they have a Wi-Fi printer. Didn't you want one of those?
What?
Wi-Fi printer.
Print from your phone. I know what a Wi-Fi printer is. I use it all the time.
NBA Finals, that's good. Those are cool.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's all down here. Okay.
What?
I have some other nice shirts in there too. So bored.
Oh, yeah.
I love
Basketballs. Computer. Toomey. They make, oh, it's Toozy or whatever. They make good luggage if it was Toomey. Stanford hat.
You got it. It's for sale.
50 cents.
For the whole thing.
Yes.
You guys know how to price. You guys know how to get rid of stuff, don't
It
you?
might be. My son at one point liked them and then stopped liking them.
Oh,
So
Let's see what this. Okay, so it should
We had a garage sale a few months ago and we did the same thing. Because nothing came back. I like those hats. All right. cookie cutters. You said this printer works?
Yeah, it's almost brand new.
What do you want for it?
$20.
Okay, let's see it. My wife, she wants a wireless printer.
Yeah, I thought our other printer wasn't working,
Uh-huh.
so I went and bought that at Costco. But our other one, we just had to like reconnect it to a Wi-Fi.
Oh, there you go. My goodness.
Man, you got
And then that one just went back in a box.
you guys aren't camping anymore?
Oh,
We are.
no, we just have
We have a motorhome.
plenty
Oh.
of camping stuff.
It's funny though, you go to garage sales and you see what people have stopped doing, like fishing. You'll see fishing poles everywhere, camping equipment.
Snow boots,
Oh yeah?
vans, 2 pairs of vans.
Yeah, I saw the van. What is this?
I think it's just a pyramid.
It's just a decoration
But you
thing.
can put stuff in it.
Yeah. But it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Look, that's all one set. Here it goes. Those are like wall sconces with that, and these balls go in it.
Oh,
So those are the wall sconces.
Jen, do you see his candles? There's some.
All right, I'm ready. Who's the cat? Are you the cat?
He's the cashier.
You're the cat.
What do you got? You look
I
like you got a lot of money, so I can charge you.
Yeah, I got it. See, I'm looking forward to being in a while.
What did you say? Where did you see snow boots? Oh, these. I don't know anything about the brand. Can you scan the box such as a barcode and just get an idea? Oh, it says Ace Hardware, $34. And this brand I've never heard of. And miss these powder pants. You did? Well, you gotta get my attention when I'm focused. Some owl is happy. It's morning. There's a Nike branded. People buy shit just because they're Nike. Alright, what else we got here? You look through all these pants? Well,
It works, but it's, I don't like the. It used to look like it was flaming a lot more. But that would heat up. I think heat up.
That's a creamy deal, like everything, you guys. Good luck.
what kind of... These are kids, right? What do we got here?
Kids' toys.
Marble. Some of this looks familiar.
Yeah.
My
All
kids.
stuff that my son sort of outgrew.
I had these, a roller coaster track.
You work in the office?
Car from Sears Point. Bananagrams. Doot, 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 doot. Hey, so a box of shells. I mean a bag. Harry Potter.
That's a wand.
Oh, that's cool. I'll take that.
know. Can you believe it? It's one of those, yeah, it's like Harry Potter.
We had to wait in line for.
What are these? Are these autographed by Babe Ruth or
Probably not.
anything? And Monica. Alright. These are fun. I remember those. Brain Game. Guinness Book of World Record books. Those are fun too. What do we got here?
Oh, fly.
Sounds good. Do you need any more?
That's a good one. Look at that one.
All right, we're finding a whole bunch of stuff, aren't we? Pet drying towels.
There's so much stuff that
Jen,
$3. Yeah. You end up with
This
so
is
much
a-
stuff that it's like you can only use
Oh,
so
Mongo.
much.
What is it? What?
look at it. It's brand new. So.
More.
That might be more than we need.
Yeah, it probably is. It's awful. It's awful big.
Vehicle chargers anymore.
Did Sasha give up on us already?
Yes, I think she's in the car.
All right, I think we're ready to cash out.
Dollar piece.
Don, they're ready.
Okay. 79.
It's gonna be a adding up.
Okay. Okay.
So I know we were 20 at
20
that.
there. How much for the one?
I didn't get a price.
$2.
I got
22.
5 right here in this box.
Okay. 5. So
And the rest is
27.
clothes and
And we got these.
35 for everyone.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, it's totally 79.
Yeah.
There's 40.
Okay, I'll get you out.
What part of town?
Just pretty much close to my work. We're just gonna move to Azura, if you've heard of Azura Apartments, until we actually retire up north. So.
Oh, those on 116.
They're on Lakeville.
Yeah.
Yeah.
oh,
right
that's
there.
where our friend went.
Yeah.
In those apartments.
$2. So yeah, $2.
Thank you for everything.
Yeah, definitely.
Should I go beat the car? Let me go pull the car up.
Okay.
I can take some while I'm there. Okay, well, first sale.
Nice to have.
Yeah, they're cool, huh?
Yeah.
First sale. You saw all that stuff, including all the Wii, complete Wii system and games. I saw some Skylanders in there. We got the entire pile of clothes, everything for $35. This is just our first stop today. Incredible.